Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you how can you install Basilisk directly in your computer. To do that, you have to go in this website basilisk.fr, and then you will be able to see this website. Okay, Basilisk is the programming language developed by Stéphane Poppinet. He is professor in Sorbonne University, and he developed this programming language. Previously it was Jaris, now it's Basilisk. So Basilisk is like C language. So if we see the syntax, you can see hashtag include. You have to specify the type of your variable, for example, double, int, integer, of course. So in this video, I will just show you how can you install Basilisk directly in your computer. So first, you have to know you must have Linux with your computer, because in Windows it doesn't work. In Mac, you can install Basilisk in Mac if you have the chip M1 or M2. M3 it doesn't work. I have M3 in my computer, but it doesn't work. So you can install a virtual machine, for example, if you have a Mac or Windows, to use Linux, of course. For example, for me, I use UTM for the virtual machine. So with Basilisk, you can do a lot of things. If you go in the left side, you can see different options in the documentation. For example, if you click in solver and functions, you can see what you can do directly with Basilisk. So you have some solvers, for example, the Savenon equation. You can modelize the shallow equation, of course. And then you have the Navier-Stokes equation, and then you have another equations, mathematical equation, to create another physics, not only the fluid mechanics. You can introduce, for example, the solid mechanics, electrodynamics by using a Maxwell equation, etc., etc. So it's very powerful. This tool is very powerful. You can modelize a lot of things. And I will show you another thing. If you click in example, so you can see a different example. For example, I showed you atomization of pulsed liquid jet, but you have another example, of course. Let's click in, for example, this one. Okay, so you can see the syntax. So here is a 3D simulation. I will show you the video, for example. So this is a boat above the ocean, for example, and you can see what you can do with Basilisk, if you know how to use Basilisk, of course. And it's my goal to show you how can you use Basilisk, of course. So first I will show you how can you install Basilisk. So first you click here, and then you just copy and paste this command directly in your terminal. You ignore this one because you install Basilisk by using darks, not a tarball, okay? And then you just use the compilation, so you copy past those lines, and then you just copy past those final lines, okay? And then to be sure you have installed Basilisk, you just type qcc version and enter, and you will see this message. If you have this message, you have Basilisk in your computer. Okay, then that's it. I just wanted to show you how can you install Basilisk in your computer first, and then I will show you some tools, some resolution of different problem in this course, of course. So if you have some comment, some difficulty, don't hesitate to ask me directly in the comment, and I will answer you, of course. See you!